part 2. I got it plugged into the outlet here, a quarter heavy duty 3-prong plug on this. Now I gotta set this thing baby up here. So I'm gonna show you what I done. This didn't get on YouTube, sorry about that. But in here, I have the turntable and roller mixer. This part, bottom up, right side up. If not, you will get it, you know. And this is Bakelite hard, similar to what a commercial microwave has. I got good springs on the door here. And that too. Now I'm going to set this up here because what I gotta do here is hit the clock button. Now it said 12 hours and go 24, but I think I do that. For the time of day here is 11. This.
Bladder-like underwear that's actually pretty. Surprised? It's called Always Discreet Boutique. It has a beautifully smooth fit. I know what you're thinking.
Nope.
How can something this pretty protect?
Clear.
Hidden inside is a super absorbent core that quickly turns liquid to gel for incredible protection. So I feel protected and pretty. New Always Discreet Boutique.
What is happening here?
Promote what makes your business great.
This looks amazing.
It's so amazing to see it all come together. The dark trim.
Okay.
And then balancing that with a lot of real fresh ivories and whites is the reason that this is working.
It looks, to me, slightly masculine.
It is a bit masculine, yeah. It wasn't cheap.
10:55.
You, Jess, and Kat, you nailed it. Look at that credenza.
We could have thrown it out, and I think a lot of house flippers would have just taken it out and thrown it in the dumpster. There wasn't any part of it that was just in pristine condition. And I do think that it's balanced this kitchen off really nicely. Hopefully the buyers keep it here forever. The fireplace mantle finally came back. And then the tile all the way to the ceiling really draws your eye up. But don't forget, we have 3 different color cabinets in here. I don't know if I've ever done that.
Remember how we were freaking out about that wall being moved 30 inches?
Yeah, I wasn't freaking out. I knew there was a way to fix it.
This makes me want to eat.
I actually placed it at the front of the house in my mind a couple of times. It felt the best back here by all of these French doors. It just made sense to have all this light flow into this room.
This turned out fantastic.
Let me just tell you something. The shelves, it doesn't look that bad. I just
Got
wish
it.
that it
That's how you set the time. As you know, I got pre-programmed functions in here. This is for your pizza,
piece of art.
And this
popcorn, reheat.
it is perfect.
This here, another beverage. You got dinner, frozen dinner. You got time cook, power.
I'm home.
No, you're not. I'm selling this all. But I'm glad you like it.
And you got a standard incandescent bulb in there. I'm gonna go in the camera, I can show it to you.
Everything masculine, but still made it
Standard incandescent light bulb.
Which is probably how you feel most of the time, right?
There's a standard incandescent bulb in there.
which is pretty risky.
I don't know why they do that. It should be an LED bulb, not an incandescent one. I guess what it is. Guess they're trying to move. Guess they're trying to save money on it. I guess they're trying to save the gas money. That's the microwave transmitter there. This here is the microwave transmitter. Transmit the signal. So, you know, I showed that to you because it's inactive right now. Have been activated, but that. Our blog is now over.